Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you're joining me today. So I'm going to be showing you my shower fizzer recipe. Some call it shower fizzers, some shower steamer, shower bomb, whatever floats your boat on the title. But it's perfect for those of us who maybe like to shower more than take baths like myself, but I do love a good bath. But if you don't have a tub, this is perfect for you because you still get that aromatherapy. As the water hits the shower fizzer, it actually evaporates and it releases those, essential oils. So if it's lavender, tea tree, lemongrass, your entire shower is going to smell like that, and it's amazing. If you've never tried a shower fizzer before, it definitely is going to elevate your experience with showering, and once you start using shower fizzers, you're not going to want to stop. I'm actually making an order today for one of my friends who opened up a new business in Chicago. She is doing like a launch party, and in her gift bags she's putting the green geo bath bombs that I make, and I'm making her some custom ordered green and white shower fizzers, and I'm making the scents eucalyptus. So I'm super excited to make these for her and also for you guys to see how I make them. If you like my shower fizzers, I do sell them on smellandbomb.com or on our Etsy shop, Smell and Bomb. And if you're a bath girl like myself as well, you like to take a nice, bath and relax in the tub every now and then go and buy some bath bombs. I made her the green geo bath bombs for her opening because her colors are like green and white, like neutral, so cute. And so I'm excited. Thank you so much for the support on my last video, the DIY geode bath bomb video. I'm shocked at how many people has watched that video and commented and liked. There's one hater, one person put a dislike. No, it's fine. If you don't like it, right? But I am shocked by the positive response. I did not think that many people would watch that video, and so thank you, and thank you for subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber, feel free to subscribe. Let's get into the video and let's start making some shower steamers, fizzers, bombs, whatever you want to call it.
Watch out, world, I'm grown now. It's about...
Okay, so for our shower fizzers, we are going to take half a cup of citric acid. And we're going to do a full cup of baking soda. And we're going to do a half a cup of cornstarch. We're going to add some Polysorbate 80. Okay. And we're going to mix. Now I'm going to put some of this moss green mica and some of this darker green together to try to create the look that I'm going for these shower fizzers. So I'm going to take a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add some drops to this too, just to darken it a little bit. And let's see what that gets us. This is a total experiment, so let's see. We're going to set that aside and do the white now. Okay, perfect. Now let's add our wet ingredients. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of eucalyptus oil. And then I'll add little by little more water if I feel it's too dry. If you feel it's too dry, just little by little add more water. But let's add this into the mix slowly and stir. It's so fluffy. See that consistency? Perf. So we're gonna set that aside. Cover it with that, set it aside, and work on the green. So again, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of water, and I'm gonna do a half a tablespoon in here because I just put a full tablespoon in that one, the white, so we don't need to put a second full. And then I'm gonna just put a little bit more water to even that out. Okay, so we gotta work pretty fast. I don't want this to dry out. So we're just gonna add some green, add some white, some green over here, add some white, smush it down. A little bit more. Okay. And then I like to just smooth it out, like press it with the spoon like this. And then when you do this, it comes out. And that's how it should look. Super cute. I'm gonna do some like that and then some like green, white, green, white. So this is getting dry, so I'm gonna add some water to it. Mix that. Water. Say a little hydrated. Hydrated, hydrated. Perfect. You want to just keep doing this with all your mix, and you know what? You have a lot of shower fizzers. So I hope you guys learned something today and enjoying this video. If you are, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to follow me on Instagram. My personal page, it's Shion. So that's my personal page on Instagram. It's Shion. You can follow my business page as well. I always like following small businesses, so then when they blow up, you like have seen the beginning, you know, especially if you are small business person yourself. It's always cool just to watch someone grow. So feel free to follow my business page. Business page is titled Smell & Balm _ Smell & Balm. So smell _ and _ balm. on Instagram, so you can follow me there if you like. So here is the end results of the shower fizzers. They are so cute. I'm gonna keep making more. I'm gonna make about 50 of these, but I think they're just so adorable and they smell so good in the shower. So definitely, once you start using shower fizzers, you will not want to shower again without one. All right guys, so that is it for today's video with these cute little shower fizzers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making these. They smell so good. I love the smell of eucalyptus. I love aromatherapy, so you know, I love essential oils and all that. I'm really into that whole lifestyle, so these are just right up my alley. And I know that my friend is gonna love these and her clients, so you know, I'm very pleased with it. And you know, if you make these, let me know how they go. And also, I do make these cute little skull shower fizzers, and so let me know if you want to see a tutorial on these. I have the molds, and I can link like where I got the molds, but show you how I make them. Yeah, and if you want to buy them, just go on to smellandbalm.com or on my Etsy shop, Smell and Balm. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I feel like I'm rambling. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Let me know your thoughts, and thank you for your support, for subscribing, liking, and sharing, and commenting. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.